The term twice exceptional refers to a broad range of students who exhibit giftedness in one or more artistic or academic areas and also have one or more of various learning disabilities. A good resource for anyone wanting to learn more about how to serve the needs of twice exceptional students is Understood for Learning and Attention Issues, and it can be found at understood.org. The site is directed towards parents, as you can read in the About section here. Parents want the best for their children, we do too, but it's useful for just about anybody wanting to help these students. At the top of the page, there's a navigation bar with information in various categories: learning and attention issues, school and learning, friends and feelings, you and your family, and community and events. So, for instance, if you have a student or a child who is having trouble in social situations, and you have specific scenarios, specific areas where information and guidance can be offered about how to assist your student or child. In this search bar, you can hone in on specific information. My child struggles with, and then you have various issues or conditions. And then you can specify the grade level and get recommendations. In this section, you have featured resources, chat with an expert, join a discussion. And this section down here is particularly useful as well. Experience personalized tools through your child's eyes. Will take you to simulations for various types of issues that your student or child might be dealing with. The Tech Finder will help you find technology to assist your student. So if I select reading and a grade level, it takes me to this section where I have assistive technologies listed, and I can show more. And they also divide it into education technologies, and I can show more here as well. And I can spend some time perusing those to find out what would best fit my student or my child's needs. Now, because twice exceptional is a broad area, but I might be interested in what information is available specifically about twice exceptional students, I can come up to the search bar, and using the phrase twice exceptional, 93 results appear, and you've got the title and the beginning part of each resource, and over here you've got the type, whether it's a blog, an article, or a resource, or a video. And I can just move through these as I search for information to help my student or child. And again, that is Understood at understood.org.